Hi guys, so today Get The Gloss have challenged me to their hashtag Get The Gloss in 7 makeup challenge. Quite excited, quite nervous. I basically got to do a whole face of makeup in 7 minutes, which sounds like a long time, but it actually really isn't. But I'm gonna see how I do. Hopefully I can get somewhat of a full face on. But my look for today, I'm gonna go for something that's a little bit more summery, a bit bronze, glowy skin. So yeah, I'm gonna see how I get on. I'm gonna put my timer on. So here it is, here she is. And I'm gonna go. So the first product that I'm gonna use is the Rose Ink Luminous Tinted Serum. I'm gonna add a little bit of that to the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna use my fingers with it for this. So what I love about this serum is that it's like little bubbles, but when you blend them together, they come and make this gorgeous sort of liquidy, super light base. Normally I'd apply this with a brush, but because we are rushed for time, I'm just gonna apply this with my hands. And to be honest, it's probably a really easy way of getting those sort of bubbles all to blend together in with the serum. So that is on. I'm now going to move on to my concealer. So for this concealer, I'm using the Lancome Ultra Wear Concealer, and this is like a super great full coverage concealer. If I can get it to shut. And then basically I'm going to add this to the eye bags that I've somehow got. I don't know where they came from, but they're here. Yeah, we're going to try and cover those as much as possible and just really bringing that concealer up. I always like to bring my concealer up to really sort of lift the eyes. I'm just going to do the same with the other side and bring that concealer up. And I always like to sort of go over it, which I know I don't have much time, but I always like to make the inner corners slightly brighter. And then just go around the nose area where it's a little bit red. And there we have it. That is it. And I'm gonna go on to my brows. So for my brows, where's it gone? Oh no, it's on the floor, okay. Right, she's here. So for my brows, I'm gonna use the Refi Brow Gel. And I'm just gonna brush these up. This is my all-time favorite brow gel. I've got pretty thick, heavy brows, so I need something that's gonna sort of stay up and hold. So next thing is the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I always like to use my bronzer. So this bronzer is amazing. This is by Tom Ford. And what I do is I literally just go into the crease and create the bit of warmth to the eye really, and then I like to bring the rest of the product up to the brow and just kind of elongate it out. So same on the other side, into the crease in these circular motions up to the brow, and then just kind of wing that out, and that just creates a really nice warmth to the eye. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the lid as well. Make sure that's all blended out, and then add a little bit of that to the lower lash also, just to bring that whole eye look together in the shadow. And now I just need to check the time, 3.5 minutes, right. So I'm now gonna go in with a pencil, and I'm just gonna warm up the lower lash line, just to really bring that whole eye look together. This is like literally the look of concentration. 3 minutes, all good. I feel like time just goes so quickly when you're in a rush. So this mascara is by Laura Mercier, and it is the Caviar Volume Mascara, and I love this. It's so good at making your lashes look super long and voluminous. So I'm just going to add this to the top lash. I kind of day to day, I only really add mascara to my top lashes, and unless it's nighttime, I only add mascara to the bottom. So, sorry, not only, but I add mascara to the bottom. So I'm now going to add my blush, and for blush I'm using the Giorgio Armani blush, and I love this. This is great. Blush is great for giving you that sort of sun-kissed look. And what I like to do is I like to add the blush on both cheeks, and then once I'm done with that, with the remaining product, I just add it around the nose to kind of give me that sun-kissed look. A lot of the time when we go to the beach and we are a little bit burnt, we always get it around the nose. So, you know, I want to kind of create that look. Now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to add a little bit more of that Tom Ford bronzer all over the skin. So anywhere that I naturally catch the sun, which would be my cheeks, around my nose area, top of the forehead, and a little bit on the chin. Just like that. Now to finish, actually no, sorry, highlight, I think I've got enough time. Highlight, I love this highlight by Ciate. This is the ultimate dewy, glowy highlighter. I could not recommend this enough. Absolutely love it. What is going on with my hair? Oh gosh, this is rushed. But yeah, absolutely love this highlighter. Could not recommend it enough. Put a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And then for lipstick, I saw that Amy Connolly did a collab with Get the Gloss. So I thought that I would use one of her products, and this is one of them. This is a really gorgeous sort of lip duo, which is a pencil and then a lipstick at the end, which I just think it's such a cool sort of combo. So this is a bit more of like a nude lipstick. So the line is has a little bit more of like a reddy tone, brownie reddy tone. And then the lipstick is a little bit more of a nude, which I just think is just so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna pat that in. And there we go. That is my summer glowy skin look. I've still got 17 minutes left. 17 minutes, gosh no, 13 seconds now, 12 seconds. And I'm really happy with this. I'm happy with the way that it turned out. But yeah, I'm actually gonna nominate someone, and I'm gonna nominate Katie Jane, who is an amazing makeup artist. There we go, finished. Who is an amazing makeup artist, and I've learned so many amazing things, amazing tricks, tips, everything from her. And she definitely inspired me in my journey through makeup and the beauty industry and the beauty world. So I'm going to nominate her for this challenge, and good luck.